Hey y'all, it's Shaaleese back with another video. So this video has been sitting in the vault for a while now, just because of the quality. It's actually one of the first videos I've ever made. So just bear with me with the black borders and just stay tuned with this video. It's a really quick one, really easy process. I use the watercolor, type method, so just stay tuned if you're interested. So I should have recorded this part, but I pretty much just sectioned out like the little bang pieces, and then I braided that down to keep it sectioned off when I dip it, and then I sectioned off some pieces on the side as well and did the same exact thing. I'd say they were about maybe an inch each for the two bang pieces for the middle part, and then on the sides about 2 to 3. Oh, I'm looking now. It's about, yeah, an inch per little section. So I guess like kind of like for baby hair type, but I just used each little section and did a braid that way. So I used the Adore hair dye that you can find at your local beauty supply store, and I used the colors Cajun Spice, French Cognac, Spiced Amber, Cinnamon, and Ginger, and I used all 5 of the bottles. Like I poured it all in there. So you're gonna want to get a clear tub. What does matter if it's clear, honestly? You're gonna want to get a tub, and then you're just gonna pour all of the hair dyes in the tub full of hot water, like boiling hot water. So make sure that you have a tub that's not gonna melt. So after you get them poured in there, you're going to want to get a brush, comb, anything, just something to mix it in really, really well. So I mix it in kind of slow, and then I slowly start to speed up to just make sure that I got the bottom and all of the dyes mixed throughout thoroughly. So this is me just testing to see if the color is where I want it to be at. So I just got a piece of paper towel, folded it up, and dipped it in there to see what the color was looking like. And then after this, I was like, okay, it looks pretty good. I cut off some of the hair from the wig to kind of do a strand test. And so I dipped some of the strands of blonde hair into the hair dye bath, I guess you could call it. And after that, I saw that it looked good, and I went ahead and dyed the whole wig. So this is the longest part of the video just because I want to show y'all in real time. So you see I have my braided off sections clipped out of the way, and we're going to do kind of somewhat like an ombre effect on those sections. So I'm going to dip the whole wig into the wig bath, and I'm going to dip just a little bit on the actual braided pieces to kind of have an ombre effect so it's not so harsh. time to time, take it out, comb it through to make sure that it's getting through the hair thoroughly. Some people say don't get on the frontal. When I did this, it didn't really matter. The frontal didn't really even get dyed that bad, like at all. And it kind of tinted it just a little bit so it could match my skin tone a little bit better. So it's really up to y'all. You can avoid getting it on the frontal, or you can just dip the whole thing in there. Yeah. So this is what it looks like fresh out of the bath. I squeezed the hair out just a little bit, and then here's that ombre type effect I was showing you guys. So when I did this part, I just dipped it really quickly so it didn't get dyed too harshly to have that ombre type effect going into the blonde pieces. Here's me just blowing it out really, really good, and then I'm going to straighten it and somewhat style it, but like I said, it's just going to be a middle part. So yeah. You guys, here is the finished look. Came out really, really pretty. This was actually my birthday hair for my 21st birthday, period. I was cute, I was a baddie. So yeah, I'm about to be 23, so this video is very, well, it's not very old, but it's 2 years old. I just never got around to editing it. I think I was thinking like, oh, I'm gonna start my YouTube soon, blah, blah, blah. Yeah, never really got serious about it until now. So I'm just showing y'all kind of what the sides look like. You can see those 3 pieces on the side, that ombre spray effect is popping, honey, period. The color is even throughout. Hair is still silky. So yeah, I'm gonna just let y'all watch it. So like I said, this is the final look. I wish I still had the details on this hair. I was actually thinking about starting my own hair brand, so I was contacting a wholesale person. But yeah, just got a blonde wig and just decided to go ahead and go with it. So if y'all like this video, you already know the drill. Like, comment, and subscribe, and bye y'all.